Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic is, what is your most beloved childhood memory? What is your most beloved childhood memories? The beloved childhood memories, when we talk about these memories, where it uh, makes nostalgic and we remember and you feel good about those memories. And if I talk about myself, one such memory is that I have few beautiful memories, and that those are really short because I don't fully recall or remember them. One such memory is when I have a really fond memory of making home from wet sands. So I do remember like to building house from the wet sand and just sitting there and playing with it. That's one good memory. Another good memory that I have uh, is like that building. Uh, what do you call it? Building a yacht and uh, then making it flow on during the rainy season. So, so I have few such memories. So I know how to build a yacht from paper, and then we just throw it on a flowing water, and then we bunch of us used to see that boat and how far it goes. So another fun memory that I have is uh, playing those games. What do we used to call it? Uh, those uh, uh, those round shaped balls made up of glass, and then we used to play. That's another fun memory. Uh, Another fond memory is that after just rainy season, first rainy or first or second, there used to be like a proper, red ants kind of, and they absolutely look spectacular. So we used to find them and look at them and just are able to appreciate. Those are the few good things that are coming into mind and beloved memory of childhood. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Over to you.